Today, I'm trying Abe's Zucchini Muffins. And I bought these at Whole Foods. They are always vegan, no dairy, no nuts, no eggs, no soy, no sesame. I love Abe's. I've had several of Abe's products. I definitely highly recommend you try their brands. Other stuff like pumpkin spice muffins, chocolate chip muffins, blueberry muffins. Like, they have so many great muffin flavors. And they also have a great 7-layer cake and chocolate 7-layer cake and a cornbread. They got cornbread. That's really good as well. And this is the zucchini muffin. Let me try for you. Wow, this zucchini muffin is really good, and I highly recommend you try Abe's Zucchini Muffins.